Hello, today we will talk and try to do the backward outside pivot, or it's is much useful in pair skating, so it's called like pair pivot, like we saw when the boy is going backward outside edge, then bend the knee and then like ta-da-da-da-da and skate backward outside pivot. So the first step to learn this pivot, I invite you to the board and we will try one very small exercise. We can hold the band with two hands, do like forward stop, put our toe peak a little bit more behind and then push with one arm from the band, grab with other one and pull. And here we can check the way we need to execute during the pair pivot, like this. Yeah. Okay, the second one, when we got this feeling, we can try to do on the spot, we do forward inside return and we have backward outside edge. Free leg behind, we bend with our knee and pull with the toe peak. Try to find the place to put it. This is the first step. The second step will be continuous movement of the opening of the left side if we are executing the right backward pivot. We do a return, we pull with left side, even open our head, bend, find the place for the toe peak and try to hold this bended position on the leg until we will start to do a smaller and smaller circle. Then when we want to go with more speed, we do few backward progressives and then we have a lot of speed, which is quite impossible to put our toe peak. So we do the same backward outside edge, look the way we are skating and try to slide with our toe peak. Just try to feel this feeling that your toe peak not stuck in the ice, that you can kindly and gently slide into the ice like this. And then when we get smaller speed, we finish at the spot. Yeah. And more advanced level to do this much faster. So we do few progressives, we open faster, we pull more and bend more. Oh, sorry. Yeah. We do few progressives, open, pull more behind, bend more, and then skate and then stop on the spot. And few more tips about the executing our backward outside pivot is about when we are pulling with our free leg behind and trying to find the place to put our toe peak. Please pay attention that you put your toe peak not the lowest part but the highest part of the toe peak. This is very important because the lowest part cannot help you to stop. It's probably you will go to the progressive or will not stop at all. So try to put your highest top of the toe peak. You need to extend your ankle as well for this, and then we find the place with the highest toe peak. Yeah. And the second one is about if I will have all my free leg, knee and hip closed, it will be also impossible to have the correct circle, to have the correct angle for execution. If I will have it closed, I cannot open my upper body and my low body to try to do this. So please pay attention that you are not going this way. So small exercise for this. We can go backward outside edge and try to close and open our free leg like this on this spot. We are going backward and we are trying to close and open. And when we will open, we need to cross it behind. Then extend the ankle and find the place with our highest top of the toe peak. When we find the place to stop with our toe peak during execution backward outside pivot, our body weight from the very beginning is for 100% on our right leg. When we are trying to find this place, we are moving all the time little bit more and more and more and more on the toe peak, making our circle smaller and smaller and smaller. So I cannot go very fast with switching body weight because it will look like this. You see? But if I will do it gently and slowly, now I'm still all my body weight on the right leg. And when I find the place, I push my body weight on the left leg. Slowly transfer.